Interplanetary civilization and space economy, top 20 key points for 2050 and beyond. 1. Permanent human settlements on Moon and Mars. Mars cities, like SpaceX's Mars Base Alpha, and moon bases, like NASA's Artemis program, could be fully operational. Hack 2. Space mining of asteroids. Mining asteroids for water, platinum, gold, and rare minerals will fuel a multi-trillion-dollar industry. 3. Space tourism for the wealthy and slowly for the middle class. Trips to low Earth orbit, LEO, the Moon, and eventually Mars will become possible, though very expensive initially. 4. Space-based solar power stations. Massive solar farms in orbit will beam clean energy to Earth 24/7, reshaping global energy markets. 5. Space manufacturing and 3D printing in microgravity. Specialized products like high-grade fiber optics, protein crystals, will be manufactured in space using 3D printing. 6. Interplanetary internet systems. Advanced communication networks like Starlink++ will provide seamless interplanetary internet between Earth, Moon, Mars. 7. Artificial gravity habitats. Rotating space stations and settlements will use centrifugal force to simulate Earth's gravity, supporting human health. 8. Biological and genetic adaptation. Humans living long-term in space may need genetic tweaks, radiation resistance, bone density preservation. 9. Space agriculture and closed ecosystems. Growing food in space using hydroponics, aeroponics, and soil-free methods will be essential for survival. 10. Legal frameworks for outer space governance. Treaties like the Outer Space Treaty will evolve. New laws will define ownership, business rights, and conflict resolution in space. 11. Space debris management industry. Cleaning and recycling space junk will become a vital business to protect satellites and stations. 12. Autonomous robots and AI for space construction. Robots will build habitats, repair satellites, and even construct cities on Mars. 13. Spaceports as new global hubs. Major cities on Earth will have spaceports like today's airports, hubs for regular space travel. 14. Lunar and Martian real estate markets. Land ownership on the Moon and Mars, likely controlled by governments or corporations, will become a huge legal and business issue. 15. Deep space missions to outer planets. Beyond Mars, missions to Jupiter's moons like Europa and Saturn's moons like Titan will be in development. 16. Cultural and artistic movements originating from space. New art, music, and literature inspired by life beyond Earth will emerge. 17. Psychological and sociological challenges. Maintaining mental health in isolated, confined environments like Mars bases will be a huge focus. 18. Space banking and cryptocurrencies. Digital currencies adapted for space commerce will rise. Space banks, Mars credits, etc. 19. Human identity as Earthlings. A stronger global identity will develop. More people will identify as Earthlings rather than by nationality. 20. Ethical debates on colonization. Intense global debates about the ethics of terraforming, potential alien life, and protecting new worlds. Top 10 things the next generation must know about interplanetary civilization. 1. Survival skills beyond Earth, knowledge of space habitats, radiation shielding, and life support. Robotics, AI, propulsion systems, and microgravity adaptation. 3. Planetary science, understanding Mars, Moon, and asteroid environments. 4. Asteroid mining techniques, resources in space can change Earth's economy. 5. Space law and ethics, ownership, governance, and human rights in outer space. 6. Biotechnology for space, genetic modification and medicine for space conditions. 7. Energy systems for space, solar power, nuclear batteries, and innovative energy storage. 8. Space architecture and engineering, designing self-sustaining cities in harsh environments. 9. Psychological resilience, training the mind for isolation, limited environments, and teamwork. 10. Global and interplanetary citizenship, shaping a new, cooperative planetary and space society. Summary thought for 2050 generation. Space is not a destination anymore. It's a new home, a new economy, and a new chapter for humanity.